Hello friends, this is Sonia here from Growing Craft, and today we are going to do mosaic coasters. Now this was requested so many times and I'm really sorry that I'm doing this so late, but I'm glad that I'm doing this. So now here for the base I have taken a good 8 mm coaster. This is an MDF base in a square shape. If you want you can take any other shape and it's absolutely fine. You just need to make sure that your coaster bases are good. Now here I am applying my liquid adhesive and I'm going to make sure that I have spread it well, and now the fun part is to stick my tiles. Now these are the tiles which I got from Amazon. I'm sharing the link down in the description box so that you can buy these, and I love these ones. Although I had a little complaint with this particular design that they were not very smooth. They were shining but they were not very smooth from the top. So later on I realized that it was a little difficult to work with it, but then it's absolutely fine because end of the product is absolutely beautiful and gorgeous. So now here I am just trying to arrange these blocks. If you want you can do it in a straight line, you can create any pattern with it, you can do multicoloring views. Like in this pack I got some of the sea blues, sea greens, light blue, sky blue, so I'm just combining all of these. If you want you can create a particular pattern with this, like with a blue color, then green color, then light blue, and you can play around with it. It's completely your choice. I just felt that having a multicolor is something which I will love, and that's the reason I'm going to create the beautiful ones with the mix of colors. Now here, as this liquid adhesive takes a little more time to dry out, so I had enough time to swap my pieces. So later on you will see me like picking up one of the pieces where I had already sticked and then stick the another one there and move them. So that's the reason I love this adhesive, and I highly recommend this one. You just need to make sure that you apply a generous coat of your adhesive so that it works well. This is how it looks after drying, and it looks beautiful, but we have to fill it up. So here what I am doing is I am making my own grouting. So for this I have taken up a POP, some water, and I am going to add my liquid adhesive to it. So the consistency is 2 spoons of my powder, 1 spoon of water, and approximately half spoon of my liquid adhesive. This proportion worked really well for me. Now with the POP it dries out very fast. So if you feel that your water is a little more, you can just let it be there for a couple of like not even a couple of minutes, just few seconds, and it will start drying out, and then very immediately you can start applying it. So now here with my spoon I'm just going to spread it, and with a palette knife I'm going to make sure that I take out all the excessive part of my Paris powder. Now this looks really messy, but it's really fun, and this is the step where you actually start seeing your project taking up your shape.
À 2 doigts de nos lèvres, 2 doigts si fins que j'ai presque pu le goûter. Le bonheur à sculpter de son ciseau d'enfer, des souvenirs impossibles à effacer. Le bonheur est passé à 2 doigts de nos lèvres, 2 doigts si fins que j'ai presque pu le goûter. Le bonheur à sculpter.
So here my coating work is done, and now with a nice good cloth I'm going to clean this up. I know this looks very dirty, but I always make sure that I clean up all my craft napkins regularly. So here I am just trying to remove up all the extra POP from my tiles. The best time to do this is when your POP is still wet. So make sure you clean this up really well. You can take up any of your wet wipes, you can take up any of the good cotton cloth, and you can do it. If your napkin is a little wet, this is going to really save your time and make your work much more easier and faster.
À deux doigts de nos lèvres, deux doigts si fins que j'ai presque pu le goûter, le bonheur à sculpter de son ciseau d'orfèvre, des souvenirs impossibles à effacer. Le bonheur est passé à deux doigts de nos lèvres, deux doigts si fins que j'ai presque pu le goûter, le bonheur à sculpter.
Now again I am going to clean this up. So on my tiles I could see some of the POP work, and like I mentioned earlier in the starting of this video that these tiles were not in a very straight shape, so that's the reason I could see some of the POPs here and there. So I have taken up a kitchen towel and I am going to use my clean water and clean this up really well. So this step will not be required if you are working with any of your other kind of very flattened and smooth finish tiles. Now on the edges I am going to play around with the blue color. So the color which I am using here is a shimmery blue. If you want, you can play around with white colors, the shades of blue, the shades of green, and that will be absolutely okay. And choosing the colors is completely your choice.
À deux doigts de nos lèvres, deux doigts si fins que j'ai presque pu le goûter, le bonheur à sculpter de son ciseau d'orfèvre, des souvenirs impossibles à effacer. Le bonheur est passé à deux doigts de nos lèvres, deux doigts si fins que j'ai presque pu le goûter, le bonheur à sculpter de son ciseau d'orfèvre, des souvenirs impossibles à effacer.
So now as I'm doing my drying work, I am just giving you a quick tip that on the back side of this MDF base there is a sticker. Now how to remove the sticker, because usually if you scratch it, it's going to leave some of the paper on the back. So here is a quick tip. Use your heat gun, run it on your sticker for a couple of seconds and it will come out very easily. So as you can see, this was quick and easy. So this was our quick tip of the day. Now the last thing is to clean up our tiles, and here I am taking another clean cloth and I have taken up the regular glass cleaner. No particular brand, you can choose any of the glass cleaners you have, and with this you clean up all your tiles. You can even clean up all the bit and pieces of colors which just went on your white POP work while doing the base border work, and you can remove that very easily. As you can see on my napkin, it's already taking up some of the blue colors from the bases. Now this is going to make your tile work look much more neater and beautiful, and it will remove any of the excessive POP work or any patch of dust from your tiles. At last, I am going to give a coat of varnish. Yes, I will be giving good 2-3 coats of varnish to it, and trust me friends, this is one of the very important step. You need to seal up your project. And I have been asked many a times, can we use Mod Podge for sealing up? No, you cannot use Mod Podge for sealing up. You need to have your varnish, and here what I am using is my water based varnish. So yes, with this my video tutorial is done. I really hope that you all enjoyed this tutorial. I am doing few more live sessions on my Facebook page. Do check that. If you guys have any query, please do comment below. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, friends. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.